Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. This week I drew Hoshi, and if you've been following me for a while, you'll know I used to always draw Hoshi. It was he was my go-to thing. I think I made him in 2009 or something, and he's just been more or less changing. I think the first picture I ever drew of him is still in some gallery somewhere. I'm sure I didn't store that one. But yeah, I just felt like drawing him because I don't draw him very often anymore, and I definitely want to change that. I wasn't very, if you go look at his reference sheet, I definitely changed his colors and I like them better like that. I just desaturated them, and yeah, I really like the blue and yellow in the, blue and beige I guess, in the background. I think it's a really nice color combination. And I did a little frame. I don't usually do those anymore. I used to do them all the time. Maybe I'll take it off. I don't know. No, I like it. So I used to do those frames all the time, but I don't know. I guess I grew out of them. But yeah, I just kind of scribbled on this until I was done with it, and then I slapped a texture on, and I think it looks pretty cool. And that's pretty much all there is to say about this drawing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday.